Welcome to Mechanicsburg School District Keola program. I'm Miss Ray-Budman, and I am going to be teaching the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade social studies classes to our Keola Wildcats this year. It's a very different setting for all of us, but I'm really excited to learn with you and get to know each of you throughout this year. So I welcome you to our program. It's my 25th year of teaching. I've spent 24 of those years teaching at Mechanicsburg High School, and I have 3 kids, and we have a cat named Felix. Some of the things that I like to do are I like to watch sports on TV, Law and Order, HGTV, and I love to spend time reading, hiking. I like to travel, spend time with my family and friends, and I love my job, and I love working with kids and helping all of you to be successful. So I look forward to our year together this year. So this week is our first week, and so a few quick things to welcome you and for you to get excited about. You can start exploring your first lessons on Odysseyware and see how that goes and ask for help if you need it. You can also follow, there's a link on this welcome email, and you'll follow the link to Flipgrid. And when you get to Flipgrid, you're going to post a introduction video based on your grade that will tell us a little bit about you. And I'm going to put an example of mine on there for you as well. You're also invited on Thursday afternoon. We'll be posting Zoom links for each grade. So we're having team Zoom meetings on Thursday afternoon. There'll be one for 6th grade, one for 7th, and one for 8th. This will give you a chance to see all of your friends that are also in Keola so that you get an idea of who's here and you'll get a chance to see all of us teachers together. So that's on Thursday afternoon. And then Thursday night, there will be a back to school video that's posted as well. And that's for both you and your parents. I'll introduce myself again and provide other information that you can use throughout this year. So welcome to the program, and I look forward to spending a lot of time with you, and I hope you have a great first day of school.